And first here at 4, developing news out of Columbia County. What you're seeing here is Sky 8 video from earlier today when law enforcement shot and killed a man at a towing company. That company, Grumpy's Towing, is located along Highway 30 just north of Scappoose.
Our Mike Benner is there, and Mike's been talking with both investigators and witnesses. Mike, what can you tell us?
Well, Ashley, good afternoon. Although it has nothing to do with what happened out here, just moments ago we learned that the man who was shot and killed out here was actually wanted for murder. We should learn more about that in the coming hours and days. In the meantime, if I step out of the way, you'll notice that there is still a large police presence out here a good 6 hours after the shooting. They'll be out here several more hours as they try to get to the bottom of what exactly happened here. As we show you video from Sky 8, I can tell you this all unfolded around 10 o'clock this morning. We're told law enforcement responded to reports of a disturbance at Grumpy's Towing along Highway 30 in Scappoose. Shortly after getting to the business, one Columbia County Sheriff's deputy and one Oregon State trooper fired their weapons, killing a man involved in the reported disturbance. Now, at this point, it's unclear if that man was armed and fired at law enforcement. That'll undoubtedly be revealed as we get further into this investigation. What I can tell you is this: there were a number of people who either saw the shooting or heard it, and that includes an employee at a neighboring storage facility. Listen.
It was quick. At first I thought it was someone working on like a house, like nail guns, and then I realized my wife was out front and I had my dogs, and then it was pop, 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 and I realized it was guns. It's upsetting. You know, you live in a small town, you don't want to ever have to deal with things like this, obviously. The only thing I could say is I'm very thankful that everyone at Grumpy's Towing is okay, because, you know, small community, you know everybody.
All right, we can tell you that no law enforcement officers were injured in the shooting, and chances are the ones directly involved in the shooting will be placed on leave, which is standard protocol. One more thing worth mentioning: the Washington County Major Crimes Team is heading up this investigation, and that is because this shooting involves deputies from Columbia County.